Welcome freelancer, this is Sahabuddin, Ediphonic iCube, Education in Phone. Today we will discuss how to get or bring out business emails of human resources officers, and it will be verified. To get this, we will use free tools like Apollo IO. We will use free plan. It will give you 10,000 emails hunting. We also use Google Chrome extension Apollo. So here are the goals, client's requirement. First, contact person's name, job role, business emails, company's name, LinkedIn job address, job details, phone number. Actually, the client is looking for LinkedIn job description and role, Office 365 training. So what will be the contact persons? The contact person may be human resource officers like talent acquisition coordinator, talent officers, human resource coordinator, human resources officers, director of human resources. That's so what we need. First we need LinkedIn profile. Second we need Apollo IO tools and we will sign up. Then Apollo Google extension we need. Free email checker like Never Bounce. We can check there the email is verified or not. And lastly we also need a name to email by reply. It's a Google Chrome extension. Now we will take a Google sheet and named it and go for the hunting. Okay guys, here is the Google sheet, name in LinkedIn lead generation, and now fill the requirement what you need like contact persons, company name, contact role, email, their email, make it bold and polished it. Okay, go for LinkedIn job description. Okay, job description, here typing it Office 365 training. My client looking for Canada, so I have named here Canada. You can select everywhere in the world. Then come to the job description and we have to read it which one is required. Actually my client is asking for technical role like support, IT support, internet, this type of technical who will in change management section. So here much of there I will take it IT application support from the company. Here is the role, you have to read it where the necessary role is it or not. Okay, I have read it. Then I will go to the company's LinkedIn profile where at the top of the sheet. Okay, I read it. Then go for the here Robert Half. This is the company. We will go for the company. Okay, in a new tab it is opening. Now this is the company. Now I have to go for the people section and also website, visit website in a new tab. Then go for people. Here is the people. Yes, this one. Then we will search for it. Keywords, here will be appeared the keyword, giving keyword section, human resource or technical coordinator or technical recruiter, whatever your requirement. Okay, you can search the title. Maybe you can search for CO, the come. Then I can take only one of them. Okay, this one, Nick Paget. Okay, hover for it and go for it. Yes, he is working in the Robert Hub. Okay, activity experience. Okay, 4 month and 11 4 year and 11 month. Take the name. copy it and paste it the contact name. Okay, now one thing has been done. Now go for the company, it is Robert Hub, copy the name from the LinkedIn, LinkedIn address. Here will be the company, you will just copy it and paste it to the Google Sheet. Okay, here. Now I will take the contact role, that means neg what is the role of his. Okay, it is about section, it is just second line, recruit officer. Okay, talent recruiter. Now the tricky part is the email, how to get it. Okay, we will go for it. Here we will use apollo.io. Okay, it will give you the contact email persons, but I can also try in name to email by reply. It's a Google Gmail extension. Here you can just copy the name, and after copying the name you just put @ and the company's domain name. If there is a email, it will fetch it. Sometimes you would not get it, so I have the second option, that is Apollo.io. It's a fine, amazing tool. We can use free basic plan. It will give you 10,000 emails hunting. So I could not get it. I think I would not get it from the name to email by reply section. So I will go for Apollo.io section for the tool. Okay, I will, yes, this one is the Apollo.io. Just need to sign it one. Okay, you sign it in your Gmail. Actually it is a LinkedIn Chrome extension. It will fetch here. Here you can, yes, here is come. Just view the email. Okay, if it is verified, it will be blue, it will be a green signal is there, tick is there. So I just copy it. Okay, and check it in never bounce email checker. It is also free. You can check it here. Is this email is a verified or not, and the tick mark I am not a robot, then it will give you validate, give you answer. Okay, the email is fine. Okay, no problem in the email. So we can take that email. Okay, I will copy here in Gmail. I will go to the detail sections. Okay, after getting it, I will go to the detail view. Yeah, okay, this email is fine. We can take it. Now copy in the Google Sheet. Yes, here copy it. The tricky part has been done. Now need phone number. For phone number, we will go to the websites at the contact page and copy it. Now job link, where the job is posted. It was posted in LinkedIn job section, so I will go there. I will go there and take, yes, this one. Here at the arrow mark, yes, there will be the link. Copy the link and paste it to the Google Sheet. Yes, job link. Here I have done the last thing, and only I have one thing to do, that is job title. It is IT application support. Just copy the text, and here we have done it. In future I will take more videos how to get manually the emails of a human resources officers or CO.